Good morning, class. Hope you all are fine and stay at home. Students, today we are going to revise our next topic of our chapter, that is the formula and functions. Earlier we had studied that what is the meaning of formulas, its functions, and how we can enter a data in a MS Excel. So MS Excel plays a very important role for entering a data. So with the help of MS Excel, we can calculate various type of arithmetic operations like subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. Okay, so class, today our next one is the how to using a copy and paste option. Means if we want to copy a one MS Excel file to the another sheet, then what is the procedure of it? So let's start. So first of all, you have to click on the sheet and enter the data as shown in the figure. So click on the sheet tab number 1 and click on your cell with the help of various functions. Then paste or click a button, that is the copy, by using a formula Control plus C. And now here you can make a copy of your file or a data sheet and paste it on the another sheet, that is the sheet 2, by clicking on the option that is the Control plus V. So this is the way that how you can make a copy and paste of a different type of files or different type of formulas in MS Excel. So for copying you have to use the Control plus C option, and for the pasting you have to use for the Control plus V option. Now after pasting and copying of a file, now if you want to give the name of your file, so where you have to click, you have to simply click the right click on the sheet 1 in your tab. So here a pop-up menu appears. This is called a pop-up menu. It consists of the various type of options like insert, delete, move, copy, hide, etc. But here you want to rename your file, so you have to click on the button, that is the rename button. So by clicking on the rename button, you should give the name of your file according to your own choice. Now next one is the changing a color of a sheet tab. If you want to make the color of your sheet like background color, theme color, so where you have to click, simply click right on the sheet and select the tab color from the shortcut menu. Here there are the various type of colors available, like here you can see there are different types of colors are available, so you can choose the color according to your own choice and then click the OK button. Now after completing our first topic, that is the formulas, now we can move further, that what is the meaning of functions. Here functions are the predefined formulas in MS Excel which is very simple to perform, and it is consists of various type of calculations. Like if we want to calculate addition, subtraction, so we have to use the various type of functions which is already predefined in our system. So here are the rules how to enter a function. So all MS function must be begin with the is equal to sign. Always remember, if you want to start any function or if you want to apply any formula, you have to start by begin with the is equal to sign. So function names must be valid name. Afterward, function must be followed by a opening and a closing topic, and it also contains the it function. So this is the way that how we can make the various type of functions and formulas in MS Excel. So there are various type of functions like sum function, average function, round off, sort means numbering of functions, power functions, etc. So class, this is all about your topic, that is the formulas and functions in MS Excel.